Hi, this is Larry Graves, the Canadian Stud Muffin, and I'm going to be doing a magic trick, and there are no special effects used in this. And this is one steady shot, and as you can see, this is a mirror, of course. There's no green screen, and I don't want to see any comments on this video that it's fake. It's 100% no special effects, no Photoshop. I don't even own Photoshop. So here we go. Sorry for venting. Not bad for 51, eh? And I don't dye my hair either. By the way, some of you young people that comment on my videos, no offense, but you really have to pick up on your grammar and your spelling, because it's rather poor. Okay, here we go. You know, sometimes I totally astound myself, too.